The senses of the human body play an essential role in perceiving and processing information from the surrounding environment. We possess five primary senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. These senses not only help us perceive the world, but also enable us to interact and respond to changes in the environment. These senses work together harmoniously to provide a comprehensive understanding of the world, allowing humans to survive and thrive in a constantly changing world. Sight is one of the most important senses in our daily life. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors thanks to the photoreceptor cells in the retina. These specialized cone cells in the eye convert light into neural signals, allowing the brain to form images. In this way, we can identify everything from small to large objects in our environment. Sight also helps humans maintain spatial balance and recognize potential dangers. A study has shown that about 80% of the information humans receive from the outside world comes through sight. Specifically, the eye can detect the movement of objects at speeds of up to 60 frames per second, helping us react to potential dangers. However, sight also has limitations. For example, humans cannot see electromagnetic waves outside the visible spectrum, such as X-rays or radio waves, which other animals like snakes and bats can perceive. Nevertheless, the ability to distinguish colors and images in the human eye is one of the great achievements in evolution. Hearing, the second sense, is also extremely important for communication and environmental awareness. The human ear can detect sound in a frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This range tends to decrease with age, with many people over 50 only able to hear frequencies from 60 Hz to 12,000 Hz. When sound is emitted, sound waves travel through the outer ear, reach the eardrum, causing vibrations in the small bones of the middle ear, and finally transmit signals to the brain via the auditory nerve. Hearing not only helps us perceive sounds, but also helps us determine the source and nature of the sound, enabling appropriate responses. For example, when hearing the siren of an ambulance, hearing helps us recognize it and move aside. Hearing also enables us to distinguish multiple sounds at the same time, such as hearing a conversation in a noisy environment, thanks to the ability to focus on specific sounds amidst background noise. A study has shown that the human ear can distinguish about 1.5 million different sounds. Taste is the next sense that allows humans to recognize and distinguish the flavors of food. The tongue can detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami, savory. Taste not only helps us enjoy food, but also serves a protective function for the body. For example, the bitter taste helps identify toxins in food, while the sweet taste signals energy-rich food, helping the body seek out carbohydrate-rich sources. The human tongue has about 10,000 taste buds, each responsible for detecting a specific type of taste. However, the sensitivity of this sense can decrease with age. Children tend to have sharper taste sensations than adults, as the number and sensitivity of taste buds generally decline over time. Touch is the sense that allows humans to perceive information about temperature, pressure, pain, and other bodily sensations. The skin is the largest sensory organ in the body, with an area of approximately 2 square meters and containing millions of sensory cells that help us detect changes in the environment. The sensation of pain, such as when burned or injured, is a crucial protective mechanism for the body. Touch also plays an essential role in maintaining the body's balance and stability. Sensory receptors in the feet help us maintain balance when moving. A study has shown that when there is a change in touch perception in the feet, a person's ability to move and maintain balance is significantly affected. Smell is the final but no less important sense that helps humans perceive odors and chemicals in the air. The human nose can detect thousands of different smells, and this sense is particularly sensitive in recognizing hazardous smells such as smoke or gas. Smell is also strongly linked to memory and emotions. For instance, the smell of a family dish can bring back memories of holidays, or the scent of a loved one can evoke feelings of warmth and safety. The human nose contains about 5 million olfactory cells, and each cell is capable of detecting a specific group of smells. However, unlike sight or hearing, the ability to detect smells can vary greatly between individuals, and this sense can change during different stages of life. The senses do not work in isolation, but coordinate closely to provide a full understanding of the surrounding environment. For example, when eating, taste combines with smell to create a complete sensory experience of flavor and aroma, while sight helps identify the shape and color of food. Similarly, when listening to music, hearing works together with sight if we watch a music video, creating a complex interaction between sound and image. This coordination allows us to react quickly and efficiently to changes in our surroundings. In conclusion, the senses of the human body not only help us perceive the world, but also play a crucial role in maintaining life and communication. Understanding how these senses work together and how they influence each of our daily activities will help us protect and enhance our abilities, thereby improving our quality of life.